What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today. We're going to be going over the technicals for Baby Doge, talking about where Baby Doge can go next. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, if you want 25% off these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And also, if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the Mexi Global link in the description. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's go straight over Baby Doge, though. So the first thing that we want to look at, we're still pretty much 100% bearish here. So it's still showing the 24-hour market control and control by the bears by 100%. So we already knew that was going to be like that because, the whole market's bearish right now. Like the whole crypto market, the stock market, real estate, everything's bearish. So that's pretty obvious that we're going to have that. But right now, we're just inside of some sideways trading movement. It's definitely good to see only 0.1% down for Bitcoin for the last 24 hours. So it's pretty much showing that everything is going sideways. But something that I really like to look at right now is look at how Bitcoin's down like 0.1%. Yet Binance is up 3.4%. And Baby Doge being a Binance coin, a Binance token, then just seeing Binance down by 3.4%, or I mean up by 3.4%, pretty much shows like the direction we're going right now. We're probably got to go and have these altcoins start to rally. You're seeing other stuff like Shiba Inu up 10%. You're seeing other altcoins, doing some rallies while Bitcoin is still down. Now, Baby Doge up 7.7% in the last 24 hours. And yeah, it went down a little bit more since then. It was like around this. I guess that's when CoinGecko had their update, but still, Baby Doge having 7.7% in the last 24 hours when everything else in the market is red. Yeah, we're definitely having some bounce back here. And you can see some other altcoins trying to do some gains as well. But I don't want anyone to fall for the bull trap because I believe this is a bull trap. So listen closely. I just believe it is a bull trap. Look, we literally got rejected twice. We got rejected up here when we tried to get to the 1.5 resistance. We got rejected at the 1.5. And that is around, really it got rejected around 1493. It couldn't even get all the way up there. And then notice how we couldn't get up to where we were last time. So now the highs are becoming lower. And you're also seeing it again, the highs lower. We just now topped out right up here. And now we're probably going to have another top inside of Baby Doge coming up very soon. So that's probably going to look like this. We're probably going to see this is probably going to end up going down like this and continuing to go sideways. And then the new high in Baby Doge will pretty much either be 1300 or like 1250. And then you're going to continue to see the new highs being set. And then you could see the new highs being set around 1.2, like 1.2 flat. So then you may also see that new high over here around like 1120. That's pretty much where our support line is. So that's kind of the trajectory that it looks like we're going in. Because let's just say Baby Doge just starts to, go up from here, gets rejected there. Goes down a little bit more, starts having a little bit of a bullish run, gets rejected there. Goes down a little bit more, starts to have a little bit of a bullish run, maybe breaking out of it very briefly, but then goes down again and gets to that area. So I think that might be the direction that we're going here with Baby Doge. Just being honest here, I know a lot of people don't want to hear that, and a lot of people just want to hear that we're about to start pumping soon. But I don't think that's going to be like that. I think that we're going to continue to see a little bit more sell off in the crypto market. I do believe that the bottom is very near. The bottom is definitely near inside the crypto market. So we just got to be patient and wait for it because like everything is cheap right now. If you haven't like doubled down on your coins, then you definitely want to do that because everything's literally cheap. I mean, last time I seen Dogecoin all the way at 10 cents was a really long time ago. And I'm really big with Dogecoin. I like Dogecoin a lot. So I think there's huge potential with Dogecoin, especially like since Baby Doge is literally derived from Dogecoin. And it's Shiba Inu, all that other stuff like that has a huge potential. And then you have Cardano. Cardano 62 cents. We have a lot of discounts inside the crypto market, literally. And a lot of people aren't seeing it as that. A lot of people are seeing it as crypto crashing. And the main thing with crypto is like it does this in cycles. It does this all the time. If you've been in crypto for more than a year, then you already know this. But if you haven't, listen up because this happens literally all the time. Literally, it does not happen any other way but this way. Literally, look at what happened last time, all the way back in 2017. we had a really nice pump inside of Bitcoin all the way up until 20K. Then we had a huge pullback, and then Bitcoin never got back up to 20K until 2020. That was 3 years later, and it was towards the end of 2020 where it really got back to that 20K area. Now, yes, it took 3 years to get back all the way up there, but this was in a different landscape. Crypto was not adopted as much in 2017. We did not have a bunch of stimulus checks printed into the economy. We didn't have like huge inflation like we do now. And for one, people are really using Bitcoin as like a hedge against inflation. So we're in a different landscape right now. So we're not going to see a 3 year period where we're down inside of crypto and we're just not having any gains for 3 years straight. Like you're not going to see that happening ever again. The time for that was already gone and past inside 2017. And then look, 2020 inside the from 2019 to 2020, that bear market was very short, is way shorter than the previous one. And you've seen a huge pump coming for crypto. And then it became shorter again. So from April 2021 to July 2021. So then that bear market became shorter. And then you've seen another pump all the way up here. And then the bear market that we're currently in now, spanning from November 4th all the way until now, which is May 10th. So somewhere around right now, we should be getting a reversal inside of the crypto market. And it's just a matter of time. Literally. So I definitely believe we're going to have some gains coming very soon. I just don't know exactly when. We're probably going to continue to go down until we hit some supports, some new supports. So you can see Bitcoin right here bounced off the support multiple times. That's a key signal that we're about to break the support and go down on the downside. So as you can see here, hit the 30,000, pretty much 30.5K, 30.3K, somewhere around there. Then it hit it again right here, and then it bounced off. And as you're seeing, just like the previous one, lower highs going down to here. This now is a lower high, and then you're seeing down to here another lower high, and then you're seeing down here another lower high. So this is pretty much a key signal that we're about to break this support on the downside here. Now, it could also be seen as a key signal that we're about to go on an uptrend. Now, I know a lot of people are like, what are you talking about? You were just saying that it could go on a downtrend. Now, the only way that we get this uptrend right now is if like huge money just starts to flow in the crypto market. We get some good news on the CPI data. We get some good news on like inflation and all that. And, if the Fed just really talks like really good for the crypto market, because it really depends on the whole overall economy. So that's pretty much what's running it. And I know when I say the whole overall economy, I mean everything, not just America. But let's be honest, like Bitcoin and all that was literally created inside of America. Well, some people would say that it was created in China and Japan. But overall, most of the money inside of crypto is coming from all over the place. But most of the development is like stationed here. So when you look at like the inflation for everything for whenever the Fed talks about inflation for, the United States, you see that the crypto market started to go down following the US stock market. So we kind of got to follow like the overall like global economy. Like the whole global economy pretty much matters for this. So the only way that we pretty much go on the upside is if we start getting good news all over and not just with America, because you also got to think about with the whole Russia Ukraine war. Now they're saying that they're speeding up war, and now they're saying Ukraine is fighting back. Like, I don't know. No one's really paying attention to that anymore, which is kind of funny. But, anyways, I am seeing that we have the potential to like, break out here, but we just need some good news coming back in the market. We don't need no more talks about war. We don't need no more talks about inflation. We just need all of that to be ignored. But, anyways, we could see a pump, like I said, coming up at the bottom of this support, but it's more so facing towards the downside. You can even see here the bears in control by 100%. And you can also see over here the oscillator is showing that we're even overbought. This little purchase right here, not purchase, but all that buying pressure, such a small amount of buying pressure, but it's still considered overbought because right now people are more so selling. So that much of a buying pump, like that much buying pressure, is pretty much overbought at these levels because it's just not supported by anything. It's just a bunch of whales putting in a bunch of money, and then selling at the top so then they can make some money. But yeah, anyways, moving on from this, we're going to see probably Bitcoin going down to about 25K. I know a lot of people don't want to hear that, but let's be honest, 25K Bitcoin could be coming very soon. So you definitely want to prepare for that. We already hit the $30,000 area in Bitcoin. But look, after we break that support, we definitely have the potential to have another pump. Now, when you look at it from the 4 hour chart, the 4 hour chart here for Bitcoin is showing us some key data here. So right here is showing you the chance of reversal up, and it had that chance of reversal. But first, we're going to have this pullback. But after the pullback, this is why I'm talking about how we could be bullish. The selling is starting to wane down. We're starting to get less selling here. And you can already see this whole area here, it was oversold. You can see on the oscillator, it's telling us that it was oversold. So we had all this selling that was way oversold. And then now you can see the selling is starting to way down. So it shows that it could turn bullish. Now, don't get me like, don't get it confused. It could be a bull trap. But you can't deny the fact that Bitcoin is literally about to bottom out, or maybe already has bottomed out. But we may have one more leg to the downside before the actual bottom. Just kind of like what happened last time when we were all the way down in Bitcoin. We literally went down until about 28K. We went below 30K. And that was like the no go zone. But we went below 30K. And when we actually did that, we immediately start the pump right after. So we could see something like that happen again where we hit like 29, 28K, maybe 25K, and then immediately pump after that. But yeah, this is definitely like hard to tell what's going to happen next just because all the bad stuff going on in a global economy. But anyways, moving on from that, like I said, I really do believe Baby Doge has the potential to pump right now, but we just have to we have to be patient here. So 1-2, I'm still looking at 1-2 like it's the bottom. Like if we go below 1-2, even better. We're gonna snatch up some Baby Doge around 9Z9, or at least I will if we did that because I see the huge potential inside of Baby Doge. But if you want to know what I'm doing right now to strategize against this, currently I'm not buying any more Baby Doge right now until we hit 1-2 again. So if we hit 1-2 again, I'm buying some more Baby Doge. If we hit 9Z9, I'll also buy some more at 9Z9. And when I say 1-2, I want like 1-2 flat. Like I don't want to get like at 129 or 128. I want to get in at like 1-2 flat, like 120. So that's where I'm trying to get in with Baby Doge. And then after that, if we go down to 9Z9, then I'll get there as well. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for the technical analysis. I just wanted to show this because there's like a lot of important movements right now inside the crypto market that you got to pay attention to. So it definitely looks like we could be going on the upside after we bottom out. After we bottom out one more time, it could be going on upside. So pay attention to that. Anyways, we almost got 1.55 million holders. So I want to see 1.6 million holders soon. But yeah. So CoinX Global. Right now, CoinX Global has Baby Doge as the top searched coin on their platform. So that's pretty big. And then it's ApeCoin, then it's Luna, then it's Bitcoin, then it's Doge. So yeah, Baby Doge being on top. That's exactly what we want to keep seeing. But anyways, I'm gonna end up ending the video here because I don't really have much else to go over. I wanted to go over Whale Watcher Finance, but as you can see, Whale Watcher Finance is just not working right now. I wanted to show you what the whales were doing, like the buys and sales that they're doing. But as you can see, we can't get on Whale Watcher Finance right now. So I'm going to have to show you what the whales are doing tomorrow. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you like the video. If you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. If you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MaxC Global link in the description. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. Just leave a comment. I'll go right over it. And also, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.